Hi. Hi. Yeah. What? I know. What? What are you trying to say? I don't understand your funny language. What? Well, you gotta try to get up. Need to help you? Let me help you. Okay, there you go. It's a little bit better. Is that better? It's still not good? Okay, here, let me try and sit you up. I don't know how you want me. You want to be like this? Like that? Is that good? I don't know what you're talking about, man. Well, I'm trying to sit you up right. Oh, you're making me sleepy. Here. Oh, excuse you. Yeah, that's your reflection. I don't know if you call it a reflection. I guess you could just say it's a video of yourself. What do you want to do? What? I don't know what to tell you. Where are you trying to go, though? Here. Here. Like this? You like that? No? No? Okay. How about like this? Is this better? There. Now you're sitting up like a big boy. Oh, let me help you. Is that better? That doesn't look very comfortable. Whoa! Whoa. You see yourself? Yeah, I think you're pretty good looking guy too. You think you're pretty good looking? Oh, okay. Are you done? Oh, baby. No. Don't cry. Don't cry. Hi. Hi. You just want to eat. Okay. Okay. Mama give you your boobies.